Hello there and welcome back. Great to be on another edition of Access All Areas. Hope you're watching these each week as they come to your inbox or social media channels. Hey, if you run an eco-Solvent printer, we have a product here that can save you thousands of dollars each year. Do you want more money in your pocket or to invest back into the growth of your business? Of course you do. The Klikink Bulk Ink System is 60% cheaper than OEM ink. If you pay around $130 for a 440ml cartridge, you'll be saving somewhere around $160 per litre. But it's not only the savings side that's impressive. Klikink is a mess-free, no-fuss system and is quick and easy to install on your printer. The system is available for both vertical and horizontal configurations. In 2 easy steps, you can have your entire setup switched over. Just unscrew the cap and flip upside down, then pierce the foil into the cartridge and away you go. The auto reset chip that comes free with a complete set of bulk ink purchase allows you to change your ink on the fly, meaning that you can top up ink while your job is printing. This saves you worrying if your ink supply will be enough to complete a job and minimises printing downtime. The high impact, high intensity colours ensure every print run is bright and ensures pigment-rich vibrancy with great results, particularly with red tones. We have a great tool that can assist you with the decision called the Klikink Calculator. Give us a call today and let us run the Klikink Calculator on your business to see how much you can save.